Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. Today, we'll learn how to allow Zoom to share your screen on a Mac. When you open Zoom, sign in with your account and start or join a meeting. Once you're inside, you might click the Share Screen button and notice it is blocked or not working, which usually happens because macOS has not given Zoom permission for screen recording. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing to Delft Stack for more Mac and iPhone tutorials. It really helps the channel grow. To fix it, open Spotlight Search by pressing Command and Space. Type System Settings and open it. Go to Privacy and Security, then look for Screen Recording. Here you will see Zoom in the list. Turn it on to allow access. If Zoom is already enabled, toggle it off and on again to refresh the permission. If you do not see Zoom, open Zoom once more or reinstall it so macOS can register it properly. After that, completely quit Zoom, reopen it, and join your meeting again. Now click Share Screen, and it should work normally, allowing you to present without any issues. That is it for today.